Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. The cold weather is here, but with these hand warmers, I say, bring on the cold weather. I feel like I scored a gold mine with these gifted hand warmers. Even though the sun is out, 30 degrees really affects my fingers, so I always keep them in my pockets. Going on a hike, it wasn't so cold, but my fingertips don't like 40-degree weather, so I carry them with me all the time. And I love that when they charge, you have this dual wire charging and it's fast and easy. And I find that when they charge up to 3, I can use them for a very long time. And the third level, I only use that when I put them in my pockets or even my boots sometimes. So if your fingers are cold like mine are all the time in the winter, you will love these hand warmers. No cold hand, warm heart, it's warm hands all the time. I love them. I highly recommend them. And that's just my point of view.